Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Showit account. All right. So first up, as you can see here under our account dashboard, under subscription, you'll be able to see your plan in here. Okay. If you have the button to cancel your plan or subscription, you can go and click on it first and then chat the customer support in here. Okay. And then in here, just go ahead and click on messages. All right. Ask a question and then click on I have a billing issue, like so. Now you can go ahead and click on I want to talk to the billing team. Click on it and a support agent will get back to you. Okay, just go ahead and tell them that you want to cancel your subscription. And then also you can go ahead and add in, maybe if they could delete the Showit account for you, that would be great. If not, don't worry. Just go ahead and open up your emailing service. It could be Gmail. Then just go ahead and click on compose and write an email to help@showit.com. All right, that's one. Subject, account deletion, and just type down your request. All right, say, hi, I wanted to delete my account and also my data. Okay, all of my data, just like that. You could also include your account information in the email to help the team find and process your request as fast as possible. And if you have a WordPress blog on your Showit account, don't worry, the support team will just work on it and they will cancel it for you. All right. And that is it. That is how you cancel your Showit account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.